Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. And today in SST, we will discuss the question answers of chapter number 15, Festivals We Celebrate. So this is the chapter all about the festivals that are celebrated in our country. We know that there are so many festivals that are celebrated in our country and they are celebrated in all the parts of our country. For example, Dashera, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, these are the festivals which are celebrated in all the parts of our country. Some festivals are there which are celebrated in a particular state. Like Pongal, it is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Onam, it is celebrated in Kerala. Bihu, that is the festival of Assam. Baisakhi, it is celebrated in Punjab. So some festivals are there which are related to a particular state, but there are so many festivals which are celebrated in our country and they are celebrated in all the parts of our country. Some festivals are religious festivals. They are related to a particular religion. But there are some national festivals also, like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals and these are the festivals when we show respect to our nation. Independence Day, that is celebrated to give honor or to give tribute to those freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to gain freedom, their achievements. We tribute to their achievements, that how lot they struggle with the Britishers, they fought with the Britishers, and after that India gained independence on 15th August in the year 1947. 26 January, that is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day because on this day in the year 1950, India got its constitution. India adopted its constitution. And constitution, it is a set of rules and regulations according to which a government govern a country. It is only the constitution in which our fundamental rights and our fundamental duties are given, so that we can enjoy our rights in an independent country, we can follow our duty towards our nation, and we can live happily in our country. Gandhi Jayanti is the third national festival that is celebrated to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is also known as the father of nation. And there are so many religious festivals like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, Eid. These are the religious festivals which belongs to a particular religion. So now let's discuss the question answers of the chapter Festivals We Celebrate. So the first question is, which is the festival of lights? Which is the festival? Which is the festival of lights? So we know that Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival when we decorate our houses with beautiful or colorful lights, diyas and candles. And how do you celebrate it? How do you celebrate it? So let's write the answer of the question. So which is the festival of lights? Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. And how do you celebrate it? So, people celebrate it, or we will write we celebrate it, because there is given how do you celebrate. So, we will write about that how we celebrate it. So, we celebrate it by decorating our houses with lights, diyas and candles. So this is the question number 1, that which is the festival of lights and how do you celebrate it. So Diwali is the festival of lights and we celebrate it by decorating our house with lights, diyas and candles. After that, the question number 2 is, name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. So the second question is, name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. So the answer is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu and Onam is the festival of Kerala. So here we will write only the name of the festival, that is Pongal. After that, the question number 3, how do people celebrate? How do people celebrate Guru Purab? Guru Purab, it is the festival that is celebrated among the Sikhs. So on this day, people go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. Processions are taken out. Langars are there in the Gurudwaras and people eat together. So this is about the festival Guru Purab. So let's write the answer. How do people celebrate Guru Purab? On this day, people go to Gurudwara. On this day, people go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. To offer their prayers. Processions are taken out. processions are taken out in this day. On this day, what are the processions? That the huge rallies are taken out. लोग इकट्ठा होते हैं and they wake up early in the morning. सुबह जल्दी उठकर सब लोग इकट्ठा होकर चारों तरफ रोड पर घूमते हैं, एक रैली निकालते हैं. That and after that they go to the Gurudwara to offer their prayer. So this rally, it is known as procession, that the processions are taken out. On this day, people go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. Processions are taken out. Processions are taken out and langars are organized. And langars are organized. And langars are organized in Gurudwaras. In Gurudwaras. So this is the answer 3. That on this day people go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. Processions are taken out and langars are organized in Gurudwara. After that, question number 4 is, why do we celebrate the Republic Day? Why we celebrate the Republic Day? Because on this day, in the year 1950, India adopted its constitution. Why do we celebrate? Why do we celebrate the Republic Day? The Republic Day. And here is the answer. Why do we celebrate the Republic Day? It is so because on this day, in year 1950, on this day, in the year 1950, the Constitution of India was adopted. The Constitution of India was adopted. So these are the question answers of this chapter. So let's discuss once. Which is the festival of lights? How do you celebrate it? So Diwali is the festival of lights, and we celebrate it by decorating our houses with lights, diyas and candles. After that, question number 2, that name the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. So Pongal is the festival, or Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. This is the festival of 3 days, and on this day people worship sun, people worship cows, and a sweet dish is prepared with jaggery and rice. Girls wear beautiful new clothes, they put beautiful flowers in their hairs and decorate their houses with beautiful rangolis. After that, question 3, how do people celebrate Guru Purab? So on this day, people go to Gurudwara to offer their prayers. Processions are taken out and langars are organized in Gurudwara. So it is the way that this festival is celebrated. And the last question is, why do we celebrate the Republic Day? Republic Day, that is one of our national festival. And why do we celebrate it? So it is so because we celebrate it because on this day in the year 1950, the Constitution of India was adopted. The Constitution of India was adopted, and this constitution have great importance among the people living in a country, because this is the constitution which describe or which mention the fundamental rights and duties of the people. It also tells the government to how you should govern a country. It means गवर्नमेंट कैसे गवर्न करती है कंट्री को, लोगों को ध्यान में रखकर, दैट व्हाट इज गुड फॉर द पीपल लिविंग इन ए कंट्री एंड व्हाट इज बैड फॉर द पीपल लिविंग इन ए कंट्री. सो गवर्नमेंट लोगों को ध्यान में रखते हुए कंट्री को गवर्न करती है कि क्या इनके लिए अच्छा है, क्या लोगों के लिए बुरा है. सो इट इज नॉट द टायरानिकल रूल कि गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचती है कि उसे क्या सही लगता है वैसे ही करती है. नो, this is the constitution in which it is mentioned that how should a government govern a country and what are the rights and duties of a individual, of a citizen in a country, in an independent country. So these are the question answers, 4 question answers. After that there is the question number 5 that we will mark in the book, because in that we have to write the name of the festival. For example, the question number 5 is, there are the 3 parts of the question number 5. So the first is, I am celebrated. This is the festival, that the festival is saying, I am celebrated to honor the victory of Ram over Ravan. So which festival am I? So that is Dashera. Because Dashera is the festival that is celebrated to honor Lord Rama's victory over Ravan. After that, the second is, people are making rangoli, houses are decorated with diyas, name the festival being celebrated. So that is Diwali, because Diwali is the festival when people decorate their houses with rangoli and diyas. So it is the festival of light. So the second is the festival Diwali. Third one is, this festival comes after a month-long fast. What is the name of the festival? So that is Eid, because Eid is the festival that is come after a month-long fast that called Ramzan, and after 1 month the Eid is celebrated. On this day, people purchase new clothes, they wear new clothes, exchange greetings and gifts, and they greet to each other by saying Eid Mubarak. A sweet dish is prepared that is called Sevaiya. So this is the chapter that is all about the festivals we celebrate. So through this chapter, we came to know that there are so many festivals that are celebrated in our country. And these festivals have great importance from the ancient times, because all the festivals, most of the festivals are related to some incident that happened in the history. Like Diwali, we know that why Diwali is celebrated, क्योंकि इस दिन श्री राम जो है वो 14 वर्ष के वनवास के बाद अयोध्या वापस लौटे थे. सो दैट्स वाई उनके आने की खुशी में दिवाली सेलिब्रेट किया. एट दैट टाइम पीपल डेकोरेट देयर हाउसेज विद ब्यूटीफुल कैंडल्स, लाइट्स, दियाज, एंड दे सेलिब्रेट दिस फेस्टिवल. वी नो दैट वाई दशहरा इज सेलिब्रेटेड. इट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विद द हिस्ट्री दैट ऑन दिस डे लॉर्ड रामा किल्ड रावण. सो this festival is celebrated to honor Lord Rama's victory over Ravan. So there we know the history related to the Holi. होली का दहन क्यों किया जाता है? Hiranyakashyap, he was a king and his sister is Holika, and his son was the devotee of Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu. So these all the festivals are related to the history. So we in our country there are great importance. These festivals have great importance among the people, and that's why all the festivals are celebrated with great enjoy and enthusiasm. So this is the chapter all about the festivals we celebrate and the question answers of chapter 15 festivals we celebrate.